This is a problem that has started happening on Microsoft Office, well, Microsoft Word 2000. Now, I'm going to fix it the easy way by just reinstalling everything, but I'll just make this short video to show what happens so that if I do ever find a cure for this, a fix for this in the future, I'll be able to post it. Let's start by creating a new Word document. Right-click, create Microsoft Word document, and let's call it test. Okay, now let's open this document, and we see that it always opens with the full screen view and the grid lines showing. Let's shrink the view and let's switch off the grid lines. So display grid lines, no. And let's save the document. Now let's try to close it, and we see this message, Microsoft Word for Windows has stopped working. Let's close the program and let's open it again. We see that it's reverted to full screen view yet again with the grid lines. Let's reduce the view again. In fact, let's just reduce it a little bit further to make it a different shape window, and let's switch off the grid lines again. Let's just move the window a little bit, and let's type a short message, hello everyone. Now let's save the document again and close the document. Yet again we have this Microsoft Word for Windows stop working. Let's close it with the X this time and open it again. Now interestingly, it's actually saved the message, although the view has reverted yet again to full screen with the grid lines showing. So let's shrink the view again, and let's go ahead and switch off the grid lines again. And let's add to our message a little bit. Hello again. Let's save it again. Let's close it again. We get our familiar message, Microsoft Word for Windows has stopped working. Close the program. Open it again. And yes, it's saved everything, but again it's reverted to a full screen view and grid lines showing. Let's just close it now. And let's open it again. No, let's delete it actually. Now if we Control-Alt-Delete to get the Windows Task Manager, we'll see that it's created a number of instances of winword.exe which it's left running. So one for each time that we've closed Word and it's not closed properly. So that's the problem. If I ever find a solution without just reinstalling everything, I'll let you know.